morning, friends. Today is 11th of November and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you the morning market update. The Nifty lost 128 points to close right at the psychological support zone of 18,000 at 18,028, forming a doji candle. The markets didn't break the previous swing low of 17,967 and prices kept hovering around these levels yesterday, indicating bulls were not ready to give up and the dips are bought. The trend and momentum is still strong as previous low was respected. The market breadth on the Nifty 50 has turned interesting. It was slightly overbought and heated from 1st November, but in the last 2 days it has cooled off, indicating approximately 68 to 70% stocks trading above their moving averages, which was earlier around 90% and up. The sector rotation analytics on StockEdge app still shows banking sector to be the strongest. We shall have all eyes on 41,800, which is the previous swing high, and a move beyond this number will take the index much higher. Globally, the US indices did very well. The US inflation data was released yesterday. Both on month CPI and core CPI cooled down in October. Consumer inflation reached 7.7% in October, which is a 0.4% rise from September. This was lower as the economists were expecting a 0.6 month-on-month rise. The US indices reacted positively to this data, with Dow gaining 3.7%, whereas Nasdaq jumped the highest, gaining over 7%. S&P 500 gained over 5%. The dollar index breaks the important support zone of 109.5 and trades at 108 levels currently, which is positive for the equities. SGX Nifty is trading at 18,421, over 300 points up. To conclude, the markets are in strong momentum with 18,600 on the cards soon. This is the zone where, again, overall chart setup we will review. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 17,970 and 18,000. Resistance 18,100 and 18,300. Bank Nifty support will be seen at 41,350 and 41,000. Resistance 41,950 and 42,200. Thank you.